Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're doing the practice and homework lesson 1.10, the numerical expressions. I will not be doing the homework with you guys. I will not be doing that with you guys. But what I will do with you guys is go over some of the numerical expressions. The numerical expression is a mathematical phrase that has numbers and operation signs, but no equal signs. The example, 4 times 5, right? And 7 minus 4. Now, the equation, same as above, but has equal signs. The example, 4 times 5 equals 20, and 7 minus 4 equals 3. Here we have a little test prop, glue and do. Josh has 3 fish in each of 5 buckets. Then he releases, which is a very important word, 4 fish. Which expression matches the words? Well, 3 times 5 equals 15, so 3 times 5 and minus 4. That is a good expression to use. Now, as you can see, this is a little short lesson, a short kind of little handout. So, we're done with that. Now we're gonna practice the same thing over and over in here. Not here, here. I'm gonna write some of, of this. Ethan collected 16 seashells. He lost 4 of them while walking home. So, 16 minus 4, right? That's pretty simple, 16 minus 4 is a simple equation for Ethan collected 16 seashells and lost 4 in the walk home. That was easy, right? So we actually have 16 minus 4, which gives us 12, right? That gives us 12. So there we got that. Our total, our answer to the equation is 12. Now, Jasmine brought 4 bracelets. Each bracelet cost $3. The same thing. Each is a word that is useful for multiplication. So 4 times 3 equals 12. That obviously equals 12. Now, Amani did 10 jumping jacks. Then she did 7 more. Now that one's pretty easy because I think it's, like another useful little hack. That one, then she did more, or then she did how much more? That's like, whenever something says more, that's like something that you know automatically that it is adding, because that's a pretty easy sign to check. So, she did 10 jumping jacks. 10 jumping jacks, right? And plus 7, 17. That's easy, right? Now, Dariel has a board that is 8 feet long. He cuts into pieces that are each 2 feet long. He cuts it into pieces that are each 2 feet long, and we're 8, right? So that'll be definitely 4. What it's cut into pieces is like he divides it. He divides it into pieces. So we're just going to do a quick little division, or like a quick subtraction or division. We have our really, we have this thing that we have to know, that if it says cuts into pieces, right? Now, check this out. If we have 2, something that could equal me 8, 2 times 4 equals me 8. So let's write that down. 2 times 4 equals me 8. That's pretty simple there, isn't it? Okay. If that equals me 8, then we got the 8. So now let's cut the 8 into pieces that are 2 feet long. There is our answer, 4. How much pieces did he cut? 4 pieces. Let's see if I could give you a little example right now. Right? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? And we're going to cut it into 2 pieces, each of them. Let's see how we could do this. Oh, you can't do it in a rectangle because it come out wrong. That's adding or subtracting. Sorry. Can't do that. Don't do it. That's wrong. There, it's simply just 4. We're going to write the expression that writes the actual word. So remember that we're writing expressions, please. If you want, you could write them. I just need you to do something similar to what I'm doing. Don't do this. Do little expressions. Like I'm going to show you in the homework. It says to do expressions. Like 16 minus 4, that's an expression right there. As I was telling you, this is what is called an expression. So the expression right here is 2 times 4 equals 8, right? And our total is 4 because it says Dariel has a board that is 8 feet long. He cuts it into pieces that each are 2 feet long. So 2, 2, 2, and 2. So this you could use it. 2, 2, 2, and 2, which is just 4. Now we're going to write words that match the expression. So 3 plus, let me write it here for you guys to understand it a little bit. Sorry that I'm taking too long. Okay, so here we have our, I'm going to put it kind of like that for you guys to get it directly. This is kind of like a nice little GoPro. Okay. This is 3 plus times 12. 3 plus parentheses 4 times 12. Now you have to write something. First, you always have to do what's in parentheses, right? So if we have 4 times 12, right? 4 times 12 equals 48. This equals 48, right? And plus 3, 48 plus 3, right? We have our 48 plus our 3, which equals us 51. And then we could write Sally, right? Let's write that somewhere. I'm gonna write it over here. Sally has $48 to get school supplies. Or to get not school supplies, donuts. And then she found $3. And then she found $3. Done? That was quick. It's normal, you know? You guys want me to write it here? Sally there, right? There, Sally has $48 to get donuts. Then she found $3, and that's it. Now let's do 2 more, because I want to do, we already did 4 of write the expression to match the words, but I want to do with you guys a lot. I love making these cute little YouTube videos to show you guys. I want you guys to actually succeed in 5th grade. Because remember, if you're in 5th grade, you should be watching this. If you're not, you could if you want extra practice on 5th grade stuff in your 4th grade and you just finished all your homework and you don't know what to do. You're always invited to come and watch my videos, and please, I really want you guys to succeed, but you guys have to put your part too. Now, 36 divided by 4. If you're 4th grade and, well, if you weren't in the 4th grade, you obviously know how to do the house multiplication. It's 36 divided by 4, right? Now, can we actually do 4 divided by 3? We can't. Because then that'll be 1 and that'll be 4. Blah. Yeah. Yes, we could actually do it. Yeah. Yeah, we can. Sorry. 4. Ugh, minus. And then we have 4, right? Which that'll be 4. That'll be 4, right? Sorry for screaming, guys. That'll be 4. And now that we have 4, we're just going to take out 1. We're going to be lending with 1, and then we're going to put down our 6, and we're going to be left with 16, right? And everybody knows what 4 times, let's see if it is. I already got it, sorry, I completely forgot. And 3 equals, it equals 12, and then plus 4, it equals exactly 16, so 4, which equals 16 minus 10. There we go, and, so, yeah, we could go 4 divided by, 36 divided by 4, we could make, we could write the words that match this expression, this expression. We could do that expression. And, and that's the expression that we have to write. So we could really just simply say Gabby right, we're just gonna do Gabby. Gabby had $36. Gabby had $36. Gabby had $36 and divided it equally into 4 people. Equal. Gabby had $36 and divided equally into 4.
Cuando ella se refiere a que tú tuviste una relación supuestamente con su exnovio, y es una de las cosas que ella más raya le causa.
So, I'm gonna write it here for you guys. Gabby had $36 and divided it into 4 people. I'm gonna show you guys the trick that you have to know to actually write the expression is putting both the numbers. So let's see if you have something. I'm just gonna show it because we're doing the same thing. So if you guys have the 3 plus 4 times 12, right? You guys have to put the equal for everything, okay? You guys have to put, if you know that 4 times 12 equals 48, okay, you put Sally has 48, and then she found the $3, which is the 3 plus, right? And now let's put here. Now, 24 minus 6 plus 3. So we're going to start with 24. And then I'm gonna start. Everybody knows that 6 plus 3 is 9, right? And then 24, we take 24 away from 9. That doesn't sound quite well.
Eso es importante porque se considera la dicha Chiquis Rivera, que ella
So, yeah.
falleció, ya no tuvo el tiempo de conciliar.
Estaba para vender.
Tiempo de recapacitar, creo.
Porque vea, ¿sí o no, Erika? Más de uno lo ha cogido para comprarlo.
Ay, es mío.
Dije yo.
Qué suerte, Dios mío. Es que estuve fuera del país y eso está pasando.
So yeah, guys, sorry for that. This is something that we kind of do, you know. Sorry that the ink is falling, and you know it's like a mess when that happens. I'm so sorry. So we have the 24, which that doesn't really make sense to me because you know. And sorry. So, we have that, and well, you know what I'm really gonna do is the 9. We're gonna make the 9 the subtraction. We're gonna just go through it with. We're gonna make this 9 because remember that equals 9. So we're making that 9 to this and the 24. So now this equation will be not this. The equation will totally be like this. Minus, that'll be minus, oh my god, minus 24, which is just normal, you know, 24, you know. Sorry, yes, so 24 minus 9. We all know that 24 minus 9 equals 15, right? So we're left with 15, and you know we could actually just do it reverse because I'm not gonna spend all my time doing that. So let's make them words. The correct word for this, or the expression, let's see, because it says write words to match the expression, so we're writing the actual words to like actually match the expression of this expression, which is that. So we've got that, good, and yes, it is. So 15. So I am so sorry, you guys. So it could be what expression can be? Oh, let me think. Erica. Exactly, Erica. Oh, you know what? Polo. Polo has $24. Polo. Oh, we don't actually have to change. I was thinking wrong, y'all. We don't have to change anything because that is 9, so it's literally the same thing, 24 minus 9. So we don't have to change anything, you guys. I just recognized that we don't have to change anything. So sorry about that. Let's go to a new page. So yeah, that was it. You don't have to change anything. But let's just write 24 minus 9. See if I could, no. Okay, let's do this. 24 minus 9 equals, yet we still don't know because we have to finish our equation, which equals 15. Wait, let me check if it actually does equal 15. Yes, it does. It equals 15. So we need Polo. Polo has 24 pens, and he gives away let's see, what does he give away? He gives away 9 of them. 9. That's it. It's really easy, you guys, because you just, have to. So, and let me read it to you guys again. Polo has 24 pens. And he gives away 9. We are done with that. Now, let's start another one because we're gonna do a problem. We already, as you can see, we already did 4 of write an expression to match the words. We already did 3 of write words to match the expression. And now we're gonna do nine more. I know, it's pretty. This is a pretty long thing, but you know what we're not gonna do? We're not gonna do. Oh yes, that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're not going to do.
La cagada de esa viejita.
Mira. Sí, dijo que le habían metido a su cabeza.
So yeah, that's it. We're gonna do basically everything. So as you can guys see, you might think, cool stuff. So there we've done. Polo has 24 pens. Polo has 24 pens and he gives away 9, right? And then let's start another one. Kylie has polished 14 stones. Her friend gives her 6 more stones. Write an expression to match the words. I'm gonna read it again. Kylie.
¡Ey! ¿Qué fue? No.
Kylie has
Pasaste.
14 polished
Pasaste,
stones.
Alejandra. Te pasaste.
Her friends give
Bájate de ahí.
her
Este es el vestido de la
6
clienta. Aquí no
more
tienes por qué tirar nada. Te
stones.
pasaste. No, así no.
Kylie has 14 polished stones. Her friend gives her 6 more stones. Write an expression to match the words. Sorry about that, guys, but that's what it is. So she has 14 polished stones, and her friend gives her 6 more. So that is easy. 14 plus 6. 14 plus 6 equals, let's check, 14 plus 6 equals 20. We all don't know that. We all do know that. 20, right? And that's basically it. Then write the expression to match the words. Right? So that's the expression that we're going to write. We're going to write 14, right? We're going to write 14 plus 6 equals 20. That's it. You see, that's it. That is it, and it's very simple. It is very simple, right? And then, let's do another one. Number 9. Russ had 25 stamps. He shared them equally among himself and four friends. Then Russ had found 2 more stamps in his pocket. Write an expression to match the words. So 25 divided by 4. So 25 divided by 4, 25 is going to be 25 divided by 4 is going to be our parentheses, and 2 plus there. That's really
Hola, princesa, ¿cómo estás?
Hermanazo, ¿eres utilizar?
And 4, 2, and 25 divided by 4. Done. That was it. That was our cool expression, right? And then we have write a numerical expression, then write words to match the expression. We're gonna do something simple. We're gonna put 2.
Sinceramente, contame la verdad, Dieguito. Esto llevaba algo así.
And then inside you. Sorry guys about that. We're gonna write a numerical expression, then write words to match the expression. To match it, right? So then we're gonna write something easy like 2 plus 25 minus 5, which equals 20. Which equals 20. So that is simple, right? We're gonna write the words. Our expression will be 2 plus parentheses 25 minus 5. That's it. And then we're gonna write Erica, right? We're gonna write Erica has 25. What can I say? She has 25 pins. Right? She has 25 pins and gives away 5. Gives away 5. And Erica has 25 pins and she gives away 5. Then she finds 2 in her pocket. Right? There. I'm gonna write it for you guys. Erica has 25 pins and gives away 5. Then she finds 2 in her pocket. Done. Let's move to the back. We're gonna do 2 more. we're actually gonna do. Wait, I want to make sure that I review something. I want to remember. After this, we're gonna do a little test on this thing. I'll relate multiplication to divide. Right? That's what I'm going to test you on another video tomorrow, right? Every day we have new lessons. Here are some do and do's that I like to do. But what I'm really going to test you on is this. I'm not going to test you on relate that. I'm going to test you on this. On using patterns. On using that. Right? So, there we go. So there we go. And Jenna bought 3 packs of bottled water with 8 bottles in each pack. Then she gave 6 bottles away, right? An expression to match the words. Exactly, the expression would be 3.
Todos los cantantes en Colombia que han sido
Three.
Mucha plata. Mucha plata.
Let's see something.
Mucha plata.
Oh my
Muchísima
god.
plata.
3.
Creo que está viviendo aquí.
Ay, Dios mío. Sorry guys. 3 packs of bottle and they each bring in each pack. So 8. 3 times 8.
No, que me pongan a ruñar pareja a esta hora de la vida.
3 times 8 equals 24. Equals 24. You guys, I'm so sorry, but it equals 24. It's so sorry from the noise in the back. It equals 24, right? And then she gives 6 bottles away. That's easy because it's 24 minus 6. And that's it. That was all. Minus 6. Right? That is it. I am so sorry, guys, for the noise in the back. I repeat, I am so sorry, guys. It's just that, I try to tell, but they just won't listen. Sorry, guys. Stefan had 24 miniature cars. He gave 4 cars to his brother. Then he passed the rest of the cars out equally among 4 of his friends. Which operation could you use to represent the first part of the situation? Which the first part is the first part is Stefan had 24 miniature cars. He gave 4 away to his brother. So it would be 24 minus 4. That's easy. 24 minus 4. Right? It's the same thing from here. 24 minus 4. And we're done. You don't even have to write the answer because that's all you have to do. Okay, guys, we're going to do a little review, a spiral review. Let's use this one. We're going to do a nice, cute little spiral review, which is Miss Anderson wrote this on the board. Wrote 7 in parentheses times 9 parentheses times 10 to the power 3. Which what equals that? What is the value of the expression? 7 times 9, right? Which is 63, right? And then we add 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Done. You see? And that will be 63. Sorry, guys. Writing down all the records. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. Remember that the upcoming test, we're going to be testing you. I'm going to be testing you on this. I'm going to be writing a whole bunch, right? And I want you guys to comment down below the answers to different types of stuff. So make sure to study what we did a few days ago. Thank you so much for watching, guys.